Hey guys, I'm Miss Farrell and I teach 8th grade math, and I am so excited to see your smiling faces come Monday, August 3rd. So some of the supplies you guys are going to need to be successful this year in 8th grade math will include a 3-ring binder. It can be a 1 to 2 inch binder. We are going to be doing guided notes, so this is where you're going to keep all your notes, your quizzes that I give you back, anything that I think will help make you successful in math class. You will also need 8 dividers. There are 8 units, so 8 dividers is what we're going to need. If you can't find 8 dividers, you can buy the 5 and buy 2 packs. So that is supply number 1 that you are going to need this year. The next thing that I highly recommend you guys get your own calculator. Because of the pandemic, we really can't be sharing supplies this year, so I strongly encourage you to buy your own calculator this year. And these are the calculators that you guys are going to get pretty proficient in. It does not matter which model you buy, they're practically the exact same calculator, so it does not matter. This one currently is $8.99 at Target for the back to school sale, and it's also $12.99 at the Office Depot Office Max. So any office supply store, Target, Walmart, carries this calculator, and so far Target is the cheapest at $8.99. But either one of these models works perfectly fine. If you have an older sibling that has already gone through high school and they have one, bring it. If you have a graphing calculator that you have an older sibling that has used it in the past, you can bring that as well. I can teach you how to use all of them. I just highly encourage you to get your own calculator, because it's not only something you're just going to use this year and never use it again. You can use it all the way through high school and even into college if that's what you choose to do. So it's definitely worth the investment. Another thing is bringing your own pencils. It can be mechanical or it can be a traditional wooden pencil. If you do the traditional wooden pencils, you're going to have your own pencil sharpener, like your own personal pencil sharpener. And that's basically it. I know on the supply list it says composition books. I'm not really going to worry about composition books for my class. If you want one, you're more than welcome to have one. I know it also says dry erase markers. If you don't feel like that's something you're going to use, you don't have to buy it. We just ask that any supplies you buy is something that you're going to use. We're going to try not to share any supplies because of the pandemic. We don't want to spread anything. Also, you guys can wear masks. It's encouraged, it's not required. So if that's something that you feel comfortable doing, you can definitely wear a mask. We're going to try to social distance as much as we can in our small classrooms, but we're going to try our best. The ways that you guys can contact me is through Canvas, through the message. You can also email me at lferrell, THERRELL, at paulding.k12.ga.us. I also have a remind that I'll be sending out for like tests and quizzes and homeworks and just different things that will be coming up through the year. And you can actually text to it, and you text the number 81010, and you will text the message at THERRELL8. So that is my remind code. I will also give that to you guys the first couple days of school, so you have it, and then your parents will have it through Canvas and emails and different things that we do throughout the year, just so you guys are very much aware of everything. We'll also go over syllabus and everything the first day of school, and I am just so excited to see your faces and get back to kind of a normal school day. I know it's been a long time since we've all been in school, so I'm super excited about this year, and I hope you guys are too, and I look forward to seeing all of your wonderful, amazing, beautiful faces Monday.